In this question, we're told that the temperature at 7 a.m. was a negative 21 degrees Celsius. Then it says for every hour for the next 4 hours, the temperature increased by 3 degrees Celsius. So we want to know what the temperature is after those 4 hours. So we're going to write an order of operations problem to solve this. So we'll start by writing down that minus 21. Now I'm going to turn these degrees into numbers just for my order of operations problem here. So negative 21 degrees Celsius would be negative 21. And then that happens 4 times over the next 4 hours. And every time we get an increase, it increases by 3 degrees. So what we've got here then is a total temperature increase over 4 hours of 12 degrees. Now remember, my starting point was a negative 21. So if I add 12 to that, what I'm going to get is a negative 9. So the answer here would be a negative 9 degrees Celsius at the end of those 4 hours.